Right, let's get cracking on an absolute classic. Beef Wellington, made easy for home cooks just like you. Imagine this, tender beef wrapped in golden, flaky pastry served up with a flourish. Sounds fancy, but I promise, you can absolutely nail it at home. First things first, the ingredients. You'll need a lovely beef fillet, some prosciutto, mushrooms, a sheet of puff pastry, a bit of mustard, 1 egg, and a sprinkle of salt and pepper. That's it. No need to be scared off by a long shopping list. Let's start with those mushrooms. Chop up about 250 grams. Nothing too precise here. Fry them gently in a pan with a touch of oil, just until they let out all their juice and turn nice and soft. Give them a pinch of salt and pepper, then let them cool. Next, the star of the show, the beef fillet. Pat it dry, then season all over with salt and pepper. Heat up a pan until it's sizzling hot, then sear the beef on every side. Just a minute or two. Remember, you're not cooking it through, just giving it a bit of color. Take it off the heat and brush it all over with a thin layer of mustard. I like English mustard, but use what you love. Now for the assembly. Lay out a few slices of prosciutto on some cling film, overlapping them to make a little blanket. Spread your cooled mushrooms over the prosciutto, then place your beef right in the middle. Carefully roll everything up nice and tight using the cling film, twisting the ends to hold it together. Pop it in the fridge for about 15 minutes. This helps everything stay neat. All right, pastry time. Unroll your puff pastry and unwrap the beef bundle. Place it in the middle of the pastry, then fold the pastry over to seal. Trim any excess, press the edges shut, and flip it over so the seam is underneath. Give it a quick egg wash for that golden shine. If you're feeling fancy, use a knife to make a gentle crisscross pattern on top. Bake at 200 degrees Celsius or 400 degrees Fahrenheit for about 35 minutes if you like your beef pink. Let it rest for 10 minutes before slicing. Trust me, it's worth the wait. And there you have it, a show-stopping beef Wellington that'll have everyone thinking you're a master chef. Serve it up with some greens or roast potatoes and watch those plates get cleared in no time. Don't forget to subscribe for more recipes from the Global Family Cookbook, where home cooking feels like a celebration. Happy cooking!